Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this super low kilometer, great value 2020 Mitsubishi ASX LS. Now starting at the front, I am going to walk you through the overall features, and guys, I'm not going to spend too long on the condition at all because it is a beautifully presented car. Starting at the front end, the new ASX does get that bulkier front end. It is an awesome look. It is a lot tougher than the previous look. You've got the chrome grille, the chrome badging right in the middle there, and those nice sleek headlights which do give you an awesome disbursement of light as well. Down the bottom here you've got the fog lights and indicators fitted there as well. Now if we make our way along the side of the vehicle, as I said guys, the condition is pretty much consistent from front to back. Beautiful. It is a near new car as well. Those alloy wheels, the multi-spoke design does look absolutely incredible against the silver paintwork. You've also got plenty of tread left in those British tires. You've got the color matched side mirrors and door handles. You've actually got an indicator built into the side mirror there, so it is an awesome addition, and it does actually clear up the whole side panel so you don't have any indicators and extra lights in there as well. Now the keyless entry, as long as you've got the key in your pocket or within arm's reach of the car, you can press the button on the door to lock and unlock the vehicle. When it is locked, your mirrors fold in. When it's unlocked, your mirrors fold back out. Now we'll quickly take a look on the inside as well. On the inside here you can see the seat bolsters do present really well. Very comfortable seats in the ASX, and a sign that the car has actually been looked after very well is the fact that it doesn't actually have much scuffing along the door trims, and even where people tend to kick the door open just there is also no scuffing. Now the back windows on this vehicle are privacy glass. The vehicle does not have any tint at all. However, if you did want to match the back to the front, we'd highly recommend you get some premium window tint on there as well. That next wheel, once again, great condition there, still plenty of tread on those tires. Now along the back of the vehicle, once again, the styling does continue all the way to the back. Beautiful design on those taillights with the LED splitter and the multi-LEDs there for the indicator as well, and the reverse light. You have got reverse parking sensors and a reverse camera. You've also got the rear washer wiper and the high mounted stoplight. Now opening up the back end here, the ASX is well known for its boot space, so plenty of space in the back. You've even got a cargo shelf to hide everything in there. Underneath the floor you've got a space saver spare wheel plus your jack and tools. If you wanted to create more space, you can actually drop these back seats down almost flat and make more space very easily as well. So all the way to the front, it is a great way to pack life in. Now on the passenger side you have got the fuel filler cap just there. Great to know that is on the safe side of this vehicle. That next wheel once again is in beautiful condition, completely unmarked. And now along this side, as you can see, condition wise does continue all the way from front to back. That next wheel, once again, beautiful condition, very well looked after. Now guys, something I'd highly recommend, considering the saving you are already getting on this vehicle, you're going to want to talk to us about glass coat and how that's actually going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork. What we're going to do now though is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Having a look under the bonnet now, what we have is Mitsubishi's iconic MY20 engine. Now it is a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, and it does have a CVT transmission which makes it a very smooth drive. ANCAP safety rating, always important to know, especially if you are buying this as a first car or maybe even just an upgrade, is 5 stars. We've also got 7 airbags. Fuel tank, the power output from the engine is about 110 kilowatts with a torque rating of 197 newton meters. The petrol fuel tank holds about 63 liters, and you can run it on 91. Combined fuel consumption is about 7.6 liters per 100. Average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, is about 829 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the ASX now, on the driver's side door you do get your power window controls. Front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that is your central locking buttons, your window lock, and above that again is the toggle for your power mirrors. There's also a button there that actually lets you fold them in if you wanted to do that manually. Now on the right hand side here you've got a few of your safety buttons. You've got the headlight adjuster to change the angle of your headlights. You've also got your forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning, parking sonars, and your blind spot monitoring. Now there are a few different functions in each of those systems, so if you wanted to know more about the Mitsubishi MyTech safety systems, please do ask us about it. Now on the right hand stalk here you have got your fog lights, indicators, headlights and high beams. Now the headlights are dusk sensing and your high beam controls do have an automatic option. The left hand side here you do get your washer and wiper controls. Wipers once again are rain sensing, so they come on by themselves too. On the steering wheel, you get cruise control on the right with your media functions on the left here. And if we have a look in the center display now, just gonna go back to home. When you plug your phone in, you do get Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for your media. You've also got the Google Maps for navigation, which runs off your phone. You've also got AM and FM radio, so plenty of setup there, and you've also got your Bluetooth connectivity. Down the bottom here, you've got the hard dials for your climate control, so setting the temperature with the one on the right and pressing auto for the other two will regulate that temperature. Now down here, 2 USB ports, stability control, and a 12-volt socket plus some storage. Behind the shifter, if I just put that in reverse quickly, I'll just show you the reverse camera you get. You can see the rear bumper there as well, so it is awesome and easy when you are trying to back up to anything. 2 cup holders, a hard handbrake, and center console does have 2 sections to it, so there is a tray in there. You've also got a 12-volt socket underneath that if you wanted to plug anything in. Quickly panning around the interior, as I said, I'm not going to spend too long on the condition because it is a near new vehicle. It does present really well on the inside and out. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful ASX. As you can see, it is very well looked after from front to back, very low kilometers and great value, so don't miss the opportunity to get into this new vehicle. Now, if you have any questions about the car, please ask us. We'll run through all the safety systems for you. Being a Mitsubishi dealership, we have a wide range of accessories available as well to help you customize your new purchase. If you have any questions about the glass coat I mentioned earlier, it does give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork, and it is a great way to protect your investment. The other thing the vehicle does qualify for is the Platinum 1 program, which will give you another 5 years of cover on your new car warranty items with $5,000 per claim and 10 years of premium roadside assistance. It's a great way to keep your car protected if it is a long-term purchase. Now, if you wanted some finance options and you wanted to see what your finance package would look like, please call us and speak to our business managers, Mario or Julie. They would love to tailor a package to suit your needs, to work in everything that you wanted to customize your vehicle with and protect it with into repayments which you are comfortable with. Now, before I go, you also need to look at our Google reviews, 4.8 stars and over 1,000 reviews from customers all over the country. There's plenty of proof that you are dealing with the right dealership and buying a good quality vehicle. If you have any questions, the number to dial is 9907055. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.